Modern dating isn't just confusing, it's exhausting. And if you ask most men today why they don't fully trust the dating world anymore, you'll hear the same thing over and over. It doesn't feel safe, it doesn't feel fair, and it definitely doesn't feel real. This video breaks down the actual psychological reasons men are stepping back, not because they fear commitment, but because modern dating has turned into something unstable, unpredictable, and emotionally draining. 1. Everything feels temporary. Now, men today feel like they're competing not with other men, but with an entire digital universe. Someone can be fully committed to you at 10 a.m., and by 10 p.m. they're scrolling through options, likes, comments, and attention from strangers. Nothing feels secure. Nothing feels grounded. And relationships that feel temporary never build trust. Men don't pull away because they don't want love. They pull away because they can't trust a system where someone can replace you with a swipe. 2. Vulnerability has become a risk. Most men grew up hearing, "Be open, communicate, share your feelings." But modern dating sends the opposite message. When a man opens up, he risks being judged as weak, needy, or too emotional. He risks losing attraction. He risks being compared to someone stronger. He risks being punished for honesty. So men learn a painful truth. Vulnerability has consequences, and that makes trust harder to give. 3. The fear of being used. Many men today have quietly experienced this. They're not being valued for who they are, but for the role they can play. Emotional support, financial help, attention on demand, validation, convenience. It creates a dynamic where men feel like they're always proving themselves, while the other person keeps options in the background. Trust can't grow when someone feels like a backup plan, a provider, or a temporary emotional placeholder. 4. Mixed signals have become normal. One of the biggest reasons men don't trust modern dating is the inconsistency. Someone can say, "I want something serious," but act like they want freedom. "I want loyalty," but keep secret connections on the side. "I want honesty," but only when the honesty benefits them. This forces men to constantly question, what's real? What's a test? What's a game? And when a man has to guess your intentions, he won't fully trust you. 5. Men know one mistake can cost everything. In today's environment, one misunderstanding, one argument, one emotional slip-up can destroy the entire relationship. Or worse, it can create long-lasting consequences a man never intended. So, men stay guarded, not because they don't want closeness, but because closeness now feels dangerous. Trust can't grow when fear is always in the background. 6. Men feel unappreciated. This is one of the biggest emotional reasons. Many men feel invisible, not admired, not valued, not acknowledged for their effort. They watch. Men who give the bare minimum get praised. Men who treat relationships casually get chased. Men who try the hardest get ignored or replaced. It creates a quiet, painful realization. Effort doesn't mean anything anymore. And when effort feels pointless, trust disappears. 7. Dating feels like a game, not a connection. People are told to, don't text first, don't show too much interest, keep your options open, make them chase you. Dating has turned into 7 strategy instead of sincerity, and men are tired of playing games that kill real intimacy before it even starts. What men truly want is simple: someone genuine, someone consistent, someone honest, someone who chooses them without competition or games. Men don't distrust love. They distrust the modern dating culture that makes love feel temporary, replaceable, and one-sided. But here's the truth. Real connection still exists, just not in the places where games are normalized, attention is currency, and people treat affection like a bargaining chip. Trust comes back when honesty comes back, and honesty starts when two people stop playing roles and start being real.